doggy? Oh, kisses. Thank you. If you want me to pet you, you gotta touch my arm. Touch my arm. Thank you. I'll pet you. You're so smart. Aw. See, when you touch me, that lets me know you want to be petted, right? Okay, so I'm done right now. Do you want more petting? Huh? What? Are you wanting to be loved on? A bit more? Or put your head there? Touch me. Okay. I'll pet you more. You're the smartest dog in the world. I love you, doggy. I love you. I love you, my baby kitty. You're fabulous. Okay. Mwah. You love Mama? I love you, dog. You're the best kitty in the world. And let me turn off this computer. You tired of loving? You want to lay down by Mama?